Creating a stylish and comfortable home begins with understanding the fundamentals of design. Think of your space as a blank canvas, ready to reflect your personality and lifestyle. Start by considering the overall theme you wish to convey, whether it's modern minimalism, cozy cottage, or bohemian chic. Each style has its unique characteristics that can set the tone for the entire room. Color plays a pivotal role in home decorating. Choose a color palette that inspires you and creates the mood you desire. Soft, neutral tones can provide a serene foundation, while bold colors can add personality and vibrancy. Balance is key. Consider using a splash of color through accessories like cushions or artwork to bring life to a more subdued backdrop. Layering colors creates depth, inviting interest and warmth into your space. Furniture arrangement is another essential aspect of decorating. Visualize how you want to utilize your space. Group furniture to foster conversation and comfort, ensuring ample space for movement. Avoid overcrowding. Less is often more in creating an inviting atmosphere. Select pieces that serve both functional and aesthetic purposes, such as multi-use furniture that maximizes space without sacrificing style. This approach helps maintain an open and airy feel while ensuring comfort. Textures add a tactile dimension to your home that can elevate its overall aesthetic. Introduce various materials, from soft fabrics in upholstery to hard surfaces in furniture. Incorporate textiles like plush rugs, statement throws, and an assortment of cushions to create a cozy ambiance. A mix of textures not only captures the eye but also engages the senses, drawing you into the warmth and comfort of the space. Lighting is the final key ingredient in home decorating. Natural light enhances the beauty of any room, while artificial lighting can create different moods. Use a combination of ambient, task, and accent lighting to illuminate your space effectively. Statement fixtures can serve as eye-catching focal points, while softer, dimmable lights create a serene glow for relaxation. Ultimately, home decorating is a personal expression that reflects who you are. Be bold and adventurous while making choices that resonate with you. It's an ongoing process, allowing you to evolve your space as your tastes and needs change. Enjoy the journey and let each decorative touch tell a story, transforming your house into a home filled with style and comfort.